Hi, it's me, Annabelle. Just kidding. Siempre que me pongo las trenzas, I think I'm Annabelle, that I look like Annabelle. Guys, we have a special treat for today. Since Amazon didn't want to pick up my payment for everything that I bought, I had $72 in there, so we bought just chicken, mashed potatoes, biscuit, corn, coleslaw, macaroni and cheese. What else? The corn was just for me. And then the coleslaw, small coleslaw just for me. The kids don't like it that much. They love the mashed potato and the thing. You get three free, or not free, three sides, but I said two mashed potatoes, one, ¿cómo se llama? One mac. Hold on. Yeah, I did. I got two macs. They love mac and cheese. Yeah. Let me just go. How's that, guys? Para que dé poquita luz, ¿no? Ay, aquí tengo un acumuladero. Agua, tengo como 4 de estos cocos aquí. No, lo iba a hacer para... I have coffee that I took as always, because today I had an ultrasound on my right breast. My right breast, because you know how I'm going right now for the cocos that I have on my breast. It's because when you have big boobs, they sweat, they rub with your bra, and Lord forbid you wear Lord forbid you wear ¿cómo se llama? A wired bra, which we need gordas to put, or if you have big ones, we need the underwear. If you do not, then they're just gonna sag to the floor. Deflate it, stupid. You see. And then we bought this, look. We always end up buying these two, what were they called? What size were they? Half gallons? Half gallons of I got unsweet tea and the girls got sweet tea. And, pues de una vez todo el pecado, ¿no? De una vez. I cannot, unless we really, really don't have money, then okay, just go get a 10-piece of chicken and that's it. We'll make mashed potatoes at home and, ¿verdad? Pero when I have money, pues me gusta comprarles todo. El pedo es que cuando llegamos, como estamos todas amontonadas, que todo, y luego la Samantha se fue a sacar all the ice trays that we have. Remember, I've shown you those gigantic cube ice that are made in the ice cube thingy. And then she transfers them to like an ice cream bucket. Y ahí los tienen en el freezer. Freezer! Got some ketchup on their backs today. Okay, macaroni and cheese. Thank you, Lord, for this food that we're about to eat. Bless the hands that made it and make it good for my tummy. Provide any person that's hungry with alimento. Thank you, Lord. Bye-bye. Amen.
Bye-bye.
Ay, babosa. Ay, bueno.
Thank you, bye-bye.
No manches, con razón a mí no me gusta el macaroni and cheese. Está bien salado, güey, no mames, toma. Hurry.
Put some corn back in here.
It's because I couldn't see, don't you know? I can't see. Ay, está bien salado, güey.
It's yummy.
¿Es yummy? A ver, el puré.
Yeah, it's so thick. Stop it.
And I told Julie, I said, échame a poquito de macaroni nomás para el show. O sea, nomás para, so I can take a picture of it, you know? But,
Is that chili? No.
Ketchup.
Oh, okay.
I was playing with a bottle of ketchup. Dijo la chavala de Freeway. Have you guys ever seen that movie, Freeway? You should watch it.
Said, I was
with
with ketchup.
Yeah. Isn't that what I say?
Something.
A bottle. What's her name? Reese Witherspoon. Guys, go look for that movie. Look, right now there's a little bit of money. A little bit. I'm talking like maybe $5 in the card. I think tengo ganas de ver una movie. It's old with Eddie Murphy. It's called The Golden Child. And so I'm drinking tea.
Bag.
See, they got the big bag over there, the sweet tea.
And
No, pero es que a veces cuando compras sweet tea está de más sweet. Como el de McDonald's, cuando compra esta niña sweet tea. Oh, sometimes she'll give me a taste and it's too much sugar. I've been sugar free for many years already. I'm not gonna gross out when I taste something like a regular soda. But it's just gonna be extra sweet
That
for
one's
me.
like
But sweet
wet?
tea,
wetter than this one. What do you mean? Like that one's more liquidy than this one.
oh, I want to give a big shout out to two friends of mine that work at UMC, Liz and Angela. Thank you very much for putting up with me the other day when I had that crazy thingy that I had. And I just came from over there, girls. I was hoping to see you so I could apologize. It's because I lost it. You know, Looney Tunes. Dicen que yo y tú estamos lucas, locas y locos, lucas y pelos con huevos.
It's not that sweet. You want to taste it?
That's not,
I mean, it's sweet, but it's not like super sweet.
wow, I'm amazed. It's not super sweet. Tastes like mine. Well, no. Once you start drinking sweetener or whatever it has.
That aspartame taste.
Uh-huh. You know what aspartame is, right?
Asperger, yes. Which was its ant color?
I know it for a fact because I looked it up and shit way back then. Aspartame is an ingredient that they put in most artificial sweeteners, guys, FYI. And you can look at the little packet right here. Oh, shut it.
We can say Asperger.
Okay, aspartame is in these little packets. Most of the artificial sweeteners have aspartame. Aspartame is one of the ingredients that they use for ant poison. Thank you very much. Look it up if you don't believe me. Pregúntale al sabelo todo, al Google, al tío Google. No, but it's true. Many years ago, I don't know if they hardly don't do it anymore, but years back, everywhere you go to the groceries or to the store, somebody will come up to you with a little flyer. Especially if they see that you're fat from Herbalife. Hi, we're with Herbalife. Y la chingada, but más they attack fat bitches. Like me. But back then I was really a big fat bitch. No, que es que fat bitch, pero I went as low as 172 when I dropped on my. What the fuck? I keep seeing like there's a hole in the bucket. The Liza. Está todo metido, yo creo. Hi guys, and then right now when they did that test on me, it was a sonogram on my boobie. Because the doctor said she felt like a little mass. So, and I was like, mass? The man was none really. Boobies! This shirt, look, let me show you. When I wasn't this chubby, okay? I used it once at the bar when me and my boyfriend would go con unos tacones. Me miraba bien perra, guys. Me miraba bien perra. No tenía esta
I mean the
panzota.
Mac.
Y como no tenía tanto back fat, pues
Yeah.
me miraba mucho más nalgona.
Because of the red.
Ahorita tengo culo chato, guys. Culo chato because of the... let's take that hat off. I'm taking my hat off too. What?
Are you using this one?
No, go ahead. The bichicho de was spinning. And I'm like, what? Huh? Say what? He did what? He said, oh, anyways. So right now we're gonna, after I stop my mukbang, we're gonna rent the movie on YouTube. On YouTube, right? Prime. Sorry, guys. The Golden Child with Eddie Murphy. I love it. I taste it. Guys, yesterday I had to do like a. Let me see if I can blow my nose. Hold on. Blow it out your ears. Don't look at me, guys, because then you're gonna. Ay, qué feo me tronó el oído. Aspartame. There's aspartame in my nose. Hormigas. Hormigas. Hey, guys. When you were little, this new generation probably not. This is just raised on the extra phone at home and get the Wi-Fi from home for all the kids. But when I was little, I don't know what you guys. I'm a 69er from 1969, born in 1969. Oh, you guys want to bite? Want to bite? I love corn. The girls don't that much no more.
I mean,
We used to play in the dirt. We used to play with rocks. We used to play
I'll
with.
eat corn if it's like
I was
with the cheese
raised with a bunch of boys.
and like with the stick.
Was there more more traviesos, right? And I was always along there with my brothers and my cousins and shit, right? No, little girls, if you just give them Barbies and dolls and little dishes and shit, that's what I had when I was a. I loved the little dishes. Oof. And I loved little purses. Every time we found little purses, I go like that for a little girl. Oh, it was so girly. I would always carry my bolsitas. But since we're talking about aspartame and the ants and shit, that's the way.
Asperger.
You guys know it's true. There is an enfermedad called Asperger. Asperger syndrome, and it goes along with like the ADHD group and something like that kind of type.
No, it's the ends of the.
My little boy has ADHD and dyslexia, and I think he has a little bit of autism. Julia has Asperger because she got big ass. No, I'm just kidding. She don't have nothing, thank God. Sam has a weenie face. I don't know why I've always called her weenie face. Why are you laughing, stupid? Guys, when she was little, you know what she used to do? She would bend over like this, standing up, and put her butt up in the air and sing. And go all the way around and say, she's got the whole world in his hands. In his ass. Just yell away. Anyways, Asperger's. I don't know what they're watching. They're watching, what's her name? Julia Roberts. Eat, Pray, something movie. And she was going to eat spaghetti, but she's looking at it like this. I don't know. Maybe que iba a salir un animal de ahí. Okay, anyways. Asperger's, let's get back on track. You know what we used to love to do? Me and my little brother, oh my God. We would see the big boys do it, and then me and him, since we were littler, we would go and be like, thinking about it and be like, we can do it like this. This is travesura, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Remember I told you guys the other day when we went and put a big stick from the chair to the horn and the fucking torcota was beeping?
No, don't give me.
I know. I would go get my mom's hairspray. Aquanet, guys. Aquanet. And then we would go find ant holes. Las casitas de las hormigas, they make it like a real nice, like a little volcano. And they're coming and going and coming. And then you spray that motherfucker with some hairspray. And then you get your lighter and I used to love to do that. Now I can't stand bugs. I remember we would get
Aspartame.
no, not aspartame, not asperger's neither. Oh, like, did you guys ever see that the movie Apocalíptico? ¿Cómo se llama? Apocalíptico. With those warriors and Indians that are with blue paint and shit. And then the girl, I don't know how she cut herself. And she's getting those hormigas. And she's letting fire ants bite her so it could like close her wound up. Oh my god. And then she got one ant and she ate it. Nah, not really. Yeah, just kidding, just kidding. Just kidding. You know what, guys? I'm not lying, but
You see the third one?
this corn is from yesterday. I can tell. I worked at Church's Chicken. Shout out to all the Church's Chicken people, workers. Woohoo!
The third one?
Oh, the manager that I had when I used to work there. No, I started working, right? Like 1 or 2 days.
I'm supposed to be eating these.
I don't even remember his name. He was my manager and he had a twin brother. One of them managed ours and I think the twin brother managed another one. Next to me, he tells me, "You want to go to a cookout with me?" And I was like, "Guys," and I was bringing up Samantha and I didn't even know. And I was like, because there was another girl that worked there. She had a beautiful body. I don't know what happened to her. But,
No.
I don't want to say her name. I remember her name. And then after a while, he's, looking around, supervising, coming in and out of his office. And then he goes, "Ay, la hermano quería ir conmigo a un cocar." And I was like, "Pues." And then he says, "Pues." Y se echó un pedote bien sabroso. Y ese manager era bien perrudo. He would pass by and fart when you were cooking chicken and shit. But everybody was used to it. But they said he was holding back because you were here. Because I had just started working with him. And I didn't know that he was a perro. Big time perro or burping. And he would go, you're cooking and he would go in your face. And then you'd be like, they'd all just laugh. Y nomás me quedaba así like, for real. No, yo quería que fuera a poner un coca. No. No, pelos con huesos, no. Guys, you know what? Church's Chicken is my favorite, but you know what? I'm not enjoying it because I had my heart set on burritos. I don't know. We were already headed for the burrito place, huh? After we got out of my thing. Guys, did you hear my neck pop? Roll it up. So yeah, we're gonna watch the Golden Child. It's so cute.
Golden Girl.
What's the matter with that?
You have a piano?
También el pan nomás me lo eché para show. Pero casi no. Esa no, mamá.
Scottish Shore. Why is yours so soggy?
It
was the one that broke apart, huh?
You know how I like this biscuit, guys? The Church's biscuit. Another day with with jelly on it.
I had freaking
like,
Ellie in the morning in my hands like a
breakfast.
baby. Because she was sleeping and I was like, oh, and I get her bigger. She freaking farted in my hand.
Slower, love.
I heard a little.
With Samantha's farting, guys. When Jesse farts in the night, I guess he's half asleep and he's like, I tooted. I tooted. Te estás cagando, güey.
Más tooted que no.
Ay, Samantha anda haciendo tooted también. Oh, he's tooting. You know what, guys, too? I'm going to tell you a secret. Right now, I wasn't going to tell you guys, but right now when we were... Julie was pushing me in my wheelchair because I can't walk too long, so I went in a wheelchair. Over there where they're doing the ultrasounds or whatever. And then they have this door open. Y estaba una viejita. Right when Julia's pushing me like this, the viejita lifted up her leg real hard. I am farted. Actually,
Yeah.
What?
Y luego le dije a esta, a mi Julia, oye, yo creo que le van a hacer un otro salón, un otro sonido en el culo. A ver, ¿de dónde vienen todos? Porque se anda cagando.
Or colonoscopy.
Colonoscopy, yo creo, maybe. They're gonna give him pasta tutor. My corn is not. ¿Cómo se dice? Closet face.
No, prostate.
Oh, and prostate prostitute.
Not that end, Mr. Brown.
The other end.
Not that end, Mr. Brown. The other end. You mean my... ¿Cómo dijo?
My beginning.
Ah, no, nomás dijo, the devil's alive.
I'm new.
Ah, sí, que no le picaran el french fry porque I'm new. That's what
He
he said.
said, I'm new. Please.
That's what Samantha always says.
Is it really funny? Is it?
Ay, ya se me iba a ir el pollo. Sorry, guys. Se me iba a ir el pollo. Se me fue así. Es que está funny ese jale de AMLO. They said, is it really funny? Wow. If you ever want to make me laugh, just fart.
Okay, this far. Okay.
There's more here.
One time, I'm not going to say the thing, in my other church, a lady, she got up and she farted. But you can tell it was an accident, right? And I laughed out loud. And then I told her, there's something smash. She goes, see. I was even guilty. You know who, right? Mm-hmm. La esposa del roadkill.
No.
¿Quién era el roadkill? ¿Quién te decía que
Yeah,
roadkill?
I know who you're talking about.
The wife.
But it was someone else too.
No. That's the one that did it and just went. See. Remember that one time that Jesse did it and everybody started laughing and then Robert said, no. Yeah, no, pues sí.
Did you hear me?
No, pero. I'm new. Ladies. Ladies. Don't let your man poke you where he's not supposed to poke you. I don't like that. To each his own, man.
Credit card.
I never like nobody doing me that credit card or nothing like that. You know what credit card is? When you bend over and somebody goes, credit card. The Mulan. I love Mulan. Because remember I told you guys the girls got Jesse the Disney Channel? ¿O cómo se llama? Disney Plus.
Mhm.
Ah, la Julia comida. What was her dog's name? Do you know?
Little brother.
Oh, yeah. Little brother.
Pero cola.
No cola. Cola de drenaje. A mí me gusta mucho, I already told you, with grape jelly. But we don't have any, huh?
Yeah,
No, yo compré uno de sugar free. Ay, a ver si me como un panecito en la noche. Un masaje. And then right now. See, guys, look. All of us estamos gorditos. I got them a dozen of donuts. There's still donuts in there.
Yeah.
Like 4. There's still donuts there. But I always do tell them when I buy them something like that. I tell them, chiquitéatelo and
Little brother.
little brother, pendejo. You know what, little brothers? The word I was looking for, I already got it. Fail. It was a fail. That is yesterday's corn, and this is yesterday's coleslaw. I can tell because I worked there and the flavor. It's not like, I'm not gonna eat it. But if you know, if you ever worked in a restaurant, or no, not necessarily, yeah, pero you can tell when something's like at Golden Corral. They put out the food that's like from the day before.
The ends like the crunch.
But one time, I had a friend,
For them or what?
and her boyfriend was working there
It's not chicken, but it's not.
for a couple months. And he, I guess it was easy to do it.
Sisters, you
He would take home a lot of steaks.
like to hear my
Every day. Or I don't know if they give him some, but more than likely, you just have to mix it. Little brother. But I do love coleslaw. I have some in the fridge, ¿verdad? I buy it fresh at not fresh, but at Sam's, the bag at Sam's. And then since Julia makes me salads almost every day, she'll put a bola of coleslaw there.
Straight from the ground.
Straight from the beach. Straight from the ground. And sometimes since it's so fresh, you find a little bit of dirt or ants.
Just extra
And just
protein.
sprinkle some of the substitute sugar in there so kill the fuck out of the ants.
Some has protein.
Little brother!
Peanut.
Hi, Julia can sing just like her. Can you sing it for us? I told y'all that when my Julia was 14, she was singing at our church. She became our singer. And we're in a new church now, and please bring honor to us. See how I can't no more? I can't sing no more. I lost my voice. Hijo de las caras, güey, que voz sin.
Pues son tus.
Parecen yo, güey.
What are they called?
Mis nietos, mis ancestros.
Tus nieces.
Sí, my nieces.
What are they called? Sobrinas. No.
That's me. The one that says, that calls her and she goes, está bien gordita y dice, Famula. Parece que dice fart. Famula. And she's got all the answers in here because she was going to cheat that little cabrona. Mucho mulán. ¿Cómo se llamaba el grillo?
I don't think he has a name, just Lucky Cricket.
He doesn't have a name?
I don't think so. Freaking hell.
I don't know about the corn. 30 minutes, guys.
I never liked the corn. It always tastes like it's like sweet and mushy or something.
No, it always tastes good. Today, it's from yesterday. Today, it is mushy like that and hard, a little bit hard. It still has a good flavor, but I can tell that it's yesterday. The texture. No shit, guys. I shit you not. $62 y no sé cuántos cents. Porque te dije, ¿verdad? Te dije, ay, güey, 62. Salió cariñoso. Pues, y para que no esté, like... I've seen people that go to a restaurant and be like, can you make sure it's fresh? And they'll have to do it, like, right now, and not get it from... You know, if they have pre-cooked it or whatever. I think everywhere, but I know that at Whataburger, if you
Put it out.
order and you tell them, I want it well done, they'll cook it for a few extra minutes, and it tastes way better. Try that everywhere you go. Don't feel bad. You're paying for it anyways, you know? It's like me. She pre-ordered my Whataburger the other day. She really knows I don't like the taste of the pickles from the restaurants. Okay, guys, so unless it was a fail, because the corn and the coleslaw were from yesterday.
Definitely too much food.
Too much fat.
Let's take these off. You can hold my puru. Hold my puru for 1 second.
Sisters.
Hear my prayer. No. Okay, guys. Colita time. Ay, nomás es una. Ajá. Ay, bye bye, guys.